Are you frustrated about Windows hardware restrictions, or just have older hardware which is not capable to give minimalistic performance, or just want a new look into your older PC? So this video is for you. I have an alternative OS that may completely remove your dependency on Windows and give your older PC a new life. Yes, you're thinking the right. I'm talking about Zorin OS. Zorin OS is the best alternative to Windows and macOS, designed to make your computer faster, more powerful, secure, and privacy respecting. Zorin OS is designed to be easy, so you don't need to learn anything to get started. The Zorin Appearance app lets you to change the desktop layout to feel like environment you're familiar with, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux. In Windows, you have noticed that over time your PC gets slower, and in case of Zorin OS, your computer should work as fast as you do. Zorin OS runs lightning quick and doesn't slow over the time. Apps open fast, so you can spend more time being productive. Streamlined Zorin OS to work on a computer as old as 15 years. That means you can keep using your PC for longer to save money on upgrades and reduce e-waste to help the environment. With an Ubuntu and Linux foundation, Zorin OS is built on the same open source software that powers US Department of Defense and computers on the International Space Station. Thanks to the advanced security features of Linux, Zorin OS is resistant to PC viruses and malware. Security patches and software updates arrive quickly and are available for years to come. Privacy is fundamental human right. That's why Zorin OS doesn't collect personal data. Advertisers and government can spy on your activity. Zorin OS is open source, so anyone can audit its source code to verify its privacy. Zorin OS comes with all the essential apps you need out of the box, so you can get working right away. Discover thousands of powerful apps from built-in software store. You can even run many Windows apps in Zorin OS with Windows App Support. Play an enormous library of your favorite games, whether they are AAA titles or indie games. Install native Linux and Windows games from Steam, LitRes, and other sources. Zorin OS comes with NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel graphics driver, as well as game optimizations, so you can get great performance easily. Zorin Connect is integrated into Zorin OS desktop to merge experience between your computer and Android device. It works over an encrypted connection on your local network, so your data stays private and doesn't reach out the cloud. With Zorin Connect, you can use your phone as a slideshow remote and presentation pointer. You can control your computer's mouse and keyboard seamlessly. You can send photos and files between your phone and computer. Notifications will automatically sync between devices. You can control music, videos across devices. You can install Zorin OS alongside Windows or macOS to keep your files and apps. You'll be able to choose which OS to use at each boot up. Zorin OS is translated into over 100 languages. It includes screen reader, magnifier, click assist, and other assistive technologies. Your documents, music, photos, and videos just work. Zorin OS comes pre-installed with LibreOffice Suite, which lets you view, create, and edit Microsoft 365 documents. If you install Zorin OS alongside Windows, you can access files on your Windows Drive partition from within Zorin OS. Join the millions who have downloaded Zorin OS. You can get started for free and make your computer better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.